Imagine you're an AI developer building intelligent agents for financial research workflows. You need reliable agent routing that selects the right specialized tool, whether it's real-time market data, historical analysis, or risk assessment. To accomplish this goal, AI developers look to customize AI models. But customizing models means months of juggling research, data curation, and infrastructure setup across tools. Amazon SageMaker AI empowers you to accelerate the model customization workflow with an easy-to-use interface and AI agent-guided workflow. Start with the AI agent and describe your use case in natural language. In our case, we need to customize a model that reliably selects and invokes the right specialized agent for financial research tasks. Through a simple conversation, the agent generates a complete specification. The agent is recommending we use reinforcement learning with verifiable rewards. Now, we can continue to refine the specification and generate synthetic data tailored to our use case if needed. From just a few input-output examples, the agent generates comprehensive training datasets automatically. Watch the model learn from verifiable rewards, all serverless and without any infrastructure heavy lifting. Now that our model is trained, SageMaker AI evaluates the model using LLM as a judge, comparing it against the base model across multiple test scenarios. And now, our customized model wins 100% of comparisons, ready for deployment with increased accuracy. Finally, we can deploy directly to SageMaker AI Inference endpoints, or with just a few clicks to Amazon Bedrock for serverless inference. For more control, we can use the easy-to-use interface with built-in defaults and entirely serverless. This UI helps you quickly customize a model by easily selecting a model and customization technique, choosing your training dataset, and setting up hyperparameters from a single screen to get you started. So, you've completed the walkthrough. Accelerate your model customization workflow using the new serverless model customization capability in Amazon SageMaker AI. Get started today.